suspension here with the C chord adding the D. That's known as a suspension, and then you pull it off and resolve it. When I strum down with my fingernails, that's okay too. It's all good. Thanks for watching. Lord, give us peace in this world. Can I get an amen? Hey, but until then, enjoy the music that you can make. And thank God you can do it. Message me if you have any questions or requests. Adios.